I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with your bank account. To do this, simply going to open up the Coinbase app or website, and from there what you want to do is click on buy and sell, and then click buy crypto with cash. Here select Bitcoin, and where it says pay with, you can set it to your Euro wallet. Now you will see that here you often don't have a direct option to use your bank account, although ideal for me is a way to pay with my bank account. But if you don't see a direct option, you will need to use your Euro wallet. And if you don't see bank account right there, what you will need to do is go to assets, and from there just click on transfer and then click deposit cash. And then here you can select a normal bank transfer, such as easy bank transfer or Euro bank transfer. And from there just select whichever bank you use, choose how much you want to deposit, and then actually going to deposit it, and then it will be added to your assets in the cash right here. Now go back to buy and sell, gonna select Bitcoin again, and now you will have the money in your Euro wallet, and you can now use that money to actually go and buy it. So that's how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.